Hi. You know, if these two look familiar, right? This is the cordless screwdriver. I started out with something like this. It's a cheap drill that I got some time ago, and I believe it's about time to upgrade to a new drill. And guess what did I get? I got this Stanley 18 volt brushless. The model number is SBH201 D2K. Here it comes together with 2 batteries and a charger. The best part of it is brushless. Okay, that is what I got. The case is pretty good though, and I'm currently charging one of the battery, so this is how it looked like. Let me compare it with the one that I have. Right. Can you see these two? Let me put side by side, right? Can you see the difference? It's a lot of differences. And this is a hammer drill too. It's 18 volt, similar to this one. Brushless. Pretty cool, right? Yes, and it's pretty big compared to the old one. We will let you all know once I use it. But for now, I really like it, especially the light on this one. The old one that I have, the light is on this side. So when you drill, you can actually see the chuck, right? The shadow of the chuck. So you might not actually see what you're drilling. You kind of block half of it. With this new tool, you can actually see the whole thing, what you're drilling, because the LED is on the bottom side. But again, if I not mention it, the brass part is actually brushless. Okay, thank you.